A random picture that never made it to the Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, you have to go to the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from here you have to go to viral now from highlights. And here you have to click until you find the desired sticker. So here, as you can see, I only have viral stickers, so you can go ahead and check these two. So you'll find that sticker, the last one. So from here you have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, you can go ahead and check the first pinned comment, which shows you a link and the video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on this add yours button. So make sure to check that if you are having problems with it. So from here you just have to go to your upload, which is in the left bottom corner, and choose a random photo. So I will go with this photo. This is just an example for you guys. It doesn't have to be perfect. And from here you can make your photo bigger or smaller, and you can do the same thing with your sticker, but remember you have to use your 2 fingers for that. And once you are happy with it, you can click on share to your story, and then click again share, and then click on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, have a great day. Bye bye.